live in Akure or Ondo?
I live in Akure. Okay. Sorry?
Can do better thing.
I don't have anything else. I don't have anything. If I have, I would have give you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's why I'm going. With another person or Igbo or that person. I'm just wow.
I don't get anything. That's why. If I get, I will give you now.
Every now and then, anytime you come out to say what is going on, talking about the reality, a lot of people will try to counter you because they don't just want to hear what you are talking about. But without accepting the truth and what is going on, there is no how you can solve a problem. Now, this video is going viral. The video of a police officer. I don't know his name. I don't know where he came from. But the policeman is not an Igbo man. But there is a statement he made while stopping and searching passengers, especially the man that came from UK. The man has presented his driver's license and his particulars, and everything according to the man is complete. But the policeman retained his driving license, the driver's license. So the policeman told him that if you are an Igbo man, I would have detained you. Do you know what that means? In Nigeria, people are being treated like based on where you came from. Based on where you came from. That is the way they will treat you. And when you try to correct people about all these things, people will try to prove that there is nothing wrong or there is nothing that is going on. And for so many of us who are from the geographically southern part of the country, some of us also experience the same kind of treatment. I remember what happened to me in airport one day in Lagos State. So someone took my passport and he was telling me, "Where are you from?" I said, "Where I came from, it doesn't matter here. Here's an airport. You can control my passport, control my documents and everything you want to control. You can search my bag. I don't have problem with that. Okay? But asking me where I came from, I don't think it's necessary. Okay, it's not necessary." And he checked my name. He said, "Okocha is from Enugu. You are from Enugu State." And like, try to profile me based on where I came from. I said, "I'm not from Enugu State, but where I came from, it's not necessary." So when he tried to impose where I'm not from me, actually, I know that it's security tactics. If they want you to say something, they will lie against you that I know you came from here so that you can say the truth. So I told him that, yes, I know what you are doing. I know you are telling lies so that I can say where I came from. You understand? I said, I'm going to tell you, not because I don't know the tricks you are using. You understand? I told him that I'm not from Enugu State. I'm from Delta State. He said, "Oh, Delta State." Yes, Delta State is still an Igbo now. The man telling me this is a Yoruba man. You understand? Telling me that Delta State, is still an Igbo place now. The northern part of Delta State are still Igbos. You know why I'm saying this? People will always profile you from where you came from. That is the worst kind of thing happening in Nigeria. If you're an Hausa person, they will hardly delay you or do something like that. If you're a Fulani man, even though the names in your passport is even different from the name in your ticket, they will even allow you to go. But once you are an Igbo person or you came from the southern part of the country, they will always delay you. You always have problem. Like, it's not fair. Now, I also remember a day, same Lagos airport. One man was telling me, "Where is your destination? Where are you going?" I said, that is a question you can ask people who don't have a motherland from this geographical area called Nigeria. This is why I told him. It is only people who are not in this geographical area called Nigeria you can tell ask where are you going to. Maybe because the person is from, in fact, outside Africa or other part of countries in West Africa. These are the people you can only ask, where are you going? Because they do not belong to their place. Their ancestral land is not in the place. Not me. You can ask me where I'm going to. Where is my destination from the airport? Like, you can't do that. You can't do that. Only places where I have not witnessed this is Enugu. I've never witnessed such a thing in Enugu State. I've never witnessed such a thing in Abuja. Yeah, never witnessed such a thing in Abuja. I've never witnessed such a thing in Port Harcourt. There was a day I came from Doha, Qatar. They touched down in Port Harcourt. Like, I never witnessed such a thing. Even though from Ethiopia to Enugu State, I've never witnessed such a thing. But in Lagos State, I used to witness such a thing. Why am I saying all these things? Profiling people is not good. It's not good. Anytime we talk about racism, we talk about xenophobic attacks and all those. But I can tell you that people are learning from Nigeria when it comes to that. I remember the issue of Ghana must go that happened. What do you call that? Is that not xenophobic action? People have learned from Nigeria and they are doing their own, everybody's crying. When it comes to issue of racism, it's not only about skin color. Okay? It's also about the racial identity, where you came from. So I personally refer all of them to as racism. Okay? People treat you because of the way where you came from and all those things. That should stop. That should stop. And the people it affects, if you do not react, if you do not do something about this, it will continue. So this should be condemned by everyone. And such a policeman has nothing to do on the road. He is a criminal. He's a terrorist. He is a criminal and a terrorist. Such a person can open fire and kill you because you are an Igbo man. If you are an Igbo man, I will have detained you without no cause. They will detain you. In fact, meaning if you are an Igbo man, I will even frame you up and put something like cocaine in your car. Such a thing could happen. Why? Because you are an Igbo man. So are these people opposing God for creating a race or ethnicity or land called Igbo? Like, why are they angry with God for creating Igbos? Where is this beef coming from? Is it because of the prosperity of Igbos or their mentality? Anyway, I do not blame anybody. I blame what happened in 1914. Until Nigeria undo what happened in 1914, Nigeria cannot be stable. Yeah, this is mathematics. You made a mistake from a premise, and you expect to get a final result. You can't get it. You've got to go back. It's like when the foundation is destroyed, you have a faulty foundation that you are supposed to use to build bungalow, and you are trying to raise skyscraper on the foundation. It will definitely collapse. That is what is going on in Nigeria.
Are you okay?
Okay. Sorry?
They came from America.
Came from UK. I'm the owner, yes.
You live there.
Yes.
You live in Akure.
I live in Akure. Okay. Sorry?
You can do better to me.
I don't have anything to go. I don't have anything. If I have, I would have give you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's why I'm welcome. With another person, or Igbo or that person, I'll just go out.
I don't get anything. That's why. So again, I will give you now.
I go back.
Can I have my driving license here? What can I do now?
Go and park. See that one.
What can I do? I just park. You know, tell me what can I do now, guy? No, check my driving license, check my documents. It's make I do that thing now.
Yes, sir.
You are with my driving license now?
Go and park here. You will be your invoice of all those items.
The way be of the invoice. Yeah, even if I park. Huh? No, don't worry. Okay? The way be of
What
the...
you say she not do? Are you telling him to...
It's your officer like you. That's why I said you should not worry that I will talk to you.
No, let him talk now.
All right, so the way bill.
Everybody can talk.
The way bill is not there. I have the custom paper there. Those load came with the car.
That's why I requested for the custom paper so that I can see maybe all those items was itemized and examined.
But is it supposed to be listed one after the other, all those custom papers?
Yes.
Really?
What are? I do check custom paper now.
Okay.
So if
Do your job properly. You have my driving license here. I'm recording you. To let you know, I'm recording you right now. So can I have my driving license? Check your paper and then let's go. Better.
Everything is intact. Why
Don't shout. Leave him. I'll go in on record. But I've already told you. You have my paper. My paper is correct. Everything is there. You are with my driving license. I haven't committed any. I haven't committed any offense.
I know.
Okay.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay.
Wait,
Okay. I haven't got to that level.
see what is the
He hasn't got to that level.